we're gonna learn how to tie a double loop Alpine butterfly with a ring. So the double loop Alpine butterfly is just another variation in the Alpine butterfly family of knots. The double loop inherently means that we're gonna have 2 loops in the Alpine butterfly once it's created. Plus, we'll be able to capture a ring in the loop in case you haven't put it on before you sent up the rope up and over your tie-in point and have just a single Alpine butterfly with the ring. What you're gonna do is tie the Alpine butterfly just like you would normally, except you're gonna want a much longer loop on your Alpine butterfly. So I'll do that now. So I'm gonna take a big long loop, flick it around. Okay, so I have the Alpine, but I've got this big long loop with it now too. The reason for the big long loop is because we're gonna need that to girth the ring, and I'm not talking about just girthing it here. That is an option, but the positioning of the ring can get a little funky. But instead, we're going to take this loop and we're going to loosen our Alpine butterfly back up just a little bit. So you see where my thumb is, we're going to take and shove the bite of this back through like so. And then we're going to come up and over top of it and we're going to girth the entire ring. So then we just keep everything together, dress it and set it, make sure everything is still symmetrical. So we've got 2 here, 2 parts here, 2 parts here. We'll have the 3 in the stack on the back. But then now we've created a 2 loop Alpine butterfly and we've captured the ring. So then if we wanted to use the ring to then give us less friction when we go to retrieve our crown anchor, we could do so. That is how you tie the double loop Alpine butterfly with a ring.